Here's a cardboard lid. Here's a white cord. Here's a nickel. Here's some tape. So, recommended method, push the one end of the white cord through the lid, clip the coin. Please don't clip the middle of the coin, just clip the edge like it shows in the picture. This will allow you to immerse half the coin without getting the clip in the acid. No acid on the clip. Then this you could imagine putting in a beaker, and a little bit of tape will help suspend the coin at the right depth. So this is what I recommend. A little bit of tape. Coin is at the bottom of the beaker. Clip should be high and dry. This is a resistor. I gave you a 3 ohm resistor. You might not need it, but if you are going to use it, it will have to be part of the electrical circuit. So you can imagine having perhaps the electrical cord from the coin clipping onto the one end of the resistor, and another patch cord clipping onto the other end of the resistor. And then current would have to go through the resistor on its way between the coin and the battery. And so this would cut down the flow of current and may be necessary for you. I will help you decide that. If you do use the resistor, know that it will get warm. When current goes through a resistor, you make heat. Conversion of electrical energy to heat energy. There's a step in your instructions, step number 10, where it talks about decanting. So here's a demonstration. Decanting is used to separate liquid from solid. In this case, I put a few graphite pieces in a beaker of water. I've got a second beaker. If I pour very quickly, then everything gets transferred to the other beaker. But if I want to separate solid from liquid, it's fairly easy to do by pouring slowly. Liquid comes out, solid remains in my original beaker. When I get to the end, I have to be a little careful. If I tip it too far, the solid comes out. But since the solid is heavy, dense, it tends to stay in the original beaker. So I can probably get about 95% of the liquid out without losing my solid. That's decanting. At the end of the lab, it's a good idea to rinse your alligator clips to remove any acid that may have come in contact with the clips.